Hello Campers, my name is Arzan Akhtar and you are watching my channel Learn with Arzan. So today is Thursday and our timetable says we have to study English language. So today we will be starting with our new topic, that is noun. In this video I will be teaching you singular nouns and plural nouns. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so nouns refer to, what are nouns? So nouns refer to place, animals, persons, things, or events, etc. So there are many types of nouns. So this is my video of nouns part 1. So in this video we will be doing we will be doing proper noun, noun and common noun. So these are the very basic types of nouns. So let's see it. So before learning nouns, let's see some examples of nouns. So first we talked about place. So place can be Delhi, Paris, or London are some examples for place. Then we said animals. Animals can be any animal, lion, deer, dog, etc. Then we said person. So now person is here saying the name of persons as Arzan, Julia, Mahir are some names of person. Then things. So things can be any non-living thing, that is box, chalk, etc. are the examples of things. And then we talked about event. So event are the feelings that are untouchable or unseenable. So events can be memories, emotion, or feeling, etc. It's called event. So here is a quick example table of nouns. So now let's see common and proper noun. Now let's see some examples for proper noun. So okay, so London. So London refers to a proper city. So we have put it capitalization over here. We have done capitalization over here in L because it is a proper noun. So London is a particular name. There's not any city that is named London. Only one city, the capital of England, is named London. So it is a proper noun. And the second example is Julia. Julia is a proper name of a girl. So there is she is pronounced Julia. So it is a proper noun, and we have started it with capital letter. That we have done capitalization over here also. So these were some simple examples for proper noun. So now let's look on to common noun. Okay, so common noun. A common noun is named after something that is very common for many things, places, or persons. So a common noun is named after that is something is very common. That table, that chair is very common. I'm not taking a name is that particular table, but I am saying that table. So it can be any table of them. So it is a common noun. So now let's see some examples of common noun. So examples for common noun can be country. I'm not saying that I am going to England. So I'm just saying that I am going to that country. So it is not specified. Country can be any country as England or Iraq. So I'm just specifying that I am going to this country. So I'm not telling that I am going to England or Iraq. So this is a common noun. Country is a common noun. Okay. So these England and Iraq are proper noun. So another example, we can take a city. So I live in a very big city. So there are many big cities in the world. It can be London. It can be Mumbai. So there is not a specific name for that city. So just I said that I live in a very big city. So it is not specifying a place. It is not specifying a person. So it is a common noun. So these are some simple examples for common noun. Okay guys, so I hope that you all like the video and the topic common noun and proper noun is clear to you all. So bye bye, be safe, be secure, be indoors. Over. Subscribe to the channel to never miss an update from Learn with Arzan.